Sometimes you might feel that you are wasting your time. For instance, you are giving da'wah, calling towards Islam, but nobody is listening, or you can't see a change in the people. You should know that your reward is with Allah, and none of your efforts will be wasted, as success is not about numbers. The Prophet ﷺ said that when he was taken to the heavens, he saw a prophet with 10 followers, a prophet with 5 followers, a prophet with 2 followers, some with 1 follower, and some with no followers. However, these prophets did not fail. Rather, it was the people who refused to believe that failed. None of your efforts will be wasted. Allah the Most High says in the Quran, "As to those who believe and work righteousness, verily we shall not suffer to perish the reward of any who do a single righteous deed. In fact, Allah will pay you back with more than what you did."